when you look at the Fortune 500 companies, 60% of all their leaders are tall people. Yeah, they're 6 feet and taller. Yeah, so there's a natural advantage to some height. Now that you know this, you need to make sure, if you're not 6 feet tall, you have the same presence as this person that's 6 feet tall. Yeah. So when you come to this stage, that is what you bring. Your 6 foot height or 6'5" height that you want to portray. Yeah. And whether you do this like Kathy with a little bit of humor, because she's obviously not 6 feet, but she had immediately the room captured. Yeah. Or you do this with a pattern that Joyce used to really enter her posture, that to command the room. Doesn't matter. It needs to come natural to you. Yeah? So you have to feel that this is a good way for you to communicate. And many of the times, if I have to give a really big speech, so I know I have a lot of people in the room, I practice this speech over and over in front of the mirror. I practice my breaks. Why are breaks good? Because all of you keep waiting what I have to say next. Yeah. So I create tension. I create a tension for what comes next. This break gives everybody a room to process what they just heard, and now you have an expectation what comes next. And now you're checking with me, did I fulfill your expectation or not? Or did I totally take you to a different area? Yeah.